Lee, now a Category 5 major hurricane. We are looking at yet another exceptional hurricane in the Atlantic. Latest position at 3 AM UTC, while 11 PM EDT is 17.3 degrees north, 52.4 degrees west. Similar to Hurricane Jova, which intensified into a Category 5 major hurricane just not long ago. Lee had been undergoing a phenomenal rate of rapid intensification. During the 18-hour period starting from 6 AM UTC on September 7th, the storm grew from 70 knots or 130 kilometers per hour to 135 knots or 250 kilometers per hour, plus a drastic growth of 65 knots. NHC's analysts had upgraded the storm to 260 kilometers, the first Category 5 major hurricane in the Atlantic hurricane season. CIMSS advanced Dvorak technique is aligning with NHC's official estimates, currently showing a sea level of 7.2, equivalent to winds of 132 knots, or 244 kilometers per hour. Looking at the latest IR imagery, we are looking at a well-defined sensor and a clear unsituated, thus showing a persistent ring of deep convection firing. Its compact structure also reflects the characteristics of hurricanes experiencing rapid intensification cycles. Looking at environmental conditions, it shall remain exceptionally favorable for the storm to intensify further, a very warm sea surface temperature of 30 degrees Celsius, and a rather low shear environment. Some moderate southwesterly shear could develop to the northwest of the hurricane, but high divergence located in the center shall counter the impact of the shear and bring little to no impact, as stated in NHC's forecast discussion, which will be talked about later on. Currently, preliminary wind analysis shows the tropical storm winds associated with the hurricane could have a slight chance of reaching the northern portions of the Lesser Antilles, and Puerto Rico as well. If the storm will take a southward track in the future, tropical storm winds shall most likely impact the place we just mentioned by the night of Saturday, and pass through from east to west. Stated in key messages from the National Hurricane Center, swells generated by Lee could reach the Lesser Antilles, British and US Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico, Hispaniola, the Turtle and Caicos Islands, the Bahamas, and Bermuda by this weekend. Dangerous rip conditions could also affect the eastern coast of the US later on. Looking further in the forecast period, NHC's forecast discussion indicate additional strengthening is possible for the system, with some model solutions stating an exceptional peak of 170 to 180 knots. Secondary eye wall formation is rather low too, as stated in the discussion in comparison to climatology, hence shall not affect the storm structure or intensity too. For more model solutions, almost all of them stated the storm shall remain a powerful and dangerous major hurricane by the end of 5 days. We will dive into the storm once more later on tomorrow at 11 AM EDT. For further information, please seek official info from the National Hurricane Center or consult products from your local weather office.